sunny. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Willson County Sheriff's Office for Aubrea Branham. Aubrea is a 16-year-old white female, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 125 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. Aubrea has a diagnosed medical condition. There is no known clothing description or direction of travel at this time. Aubrea may be with Hilario Fuentes. Hilario Fuentes is wanted by the Willson County Sheriff's Office for contributing to the delinquency of a minor and solicitation of a minor. If you have seen Aubrea or Fuentes or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Willson County Sheriff's Office at 615-444-1412 or the TBI at 1800 TBI Fri Oct. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, All Hazards, the voice of the National Weather Service.